MeGirls, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Focallure package that I received yesterday. I ordered 3 eyeshadow palettes from Focallure.com. I will give the website in the description box below. And it took about 2 weeks to come from China, even though I ordered it from what appears to be a US website. But according to the package, it came from an address in Guangdong, China. Okay. Now I'm really excited to be receiving this. Oh, by the way, they gave me a little card with a 20% discount code on the back. 20% discount. The code is "See you again." Okay, now this is quite a cute bubble wrap thing here, because it looks like a little pouch, and it looks like they gave me extra stuff here, like this one here and this brush here. I know that I did not order a brush, so there must be an extra, a gift. And this little thing here, what's in here? Capsule. 05 job interview. So this is a lipstick. This must be a lipstick, a velvet matte lipstick in shade 05 job interview. Thanks, Focallure. So they gave me 2 free gifts. And then these are the items that really excite me. This one is the biggest one. Oh, here we go. Endless Possibilities. This one is 39 grams. And this one has 30 colors. The next one is Sunrise. The Sunrise palette. This one is 16.64 grams. 16 pens. 16 colors. And the last one is the Perth eyeshadow palette, 17.25 grams, and this one is 15 colors. I want to see this brush again. Okay, it's dual-ended brush. How do I get it out? Something stuck. Okay, oops. Oh, it's because of this little sticker here. There's a little sticker here that says official genuine product. Scan QR code, scratch and check. Okay, because okay, so on each one it's got a little sticker. Scratch and check. This little black sticker here. So that's the proof that these products are genuine. And also on this lipstick here. Okay, I can't quite get. Oh, here you go. Finally out. Dual-ended brush. This little lipstick. Okay, I'm going to open this. Come on. Why is it so hard to open? that part is sealed. This one is not, but it's really hard to open. Okay, here we go. Okay, it says job interview on the plastic. How cute! How cute is this? Can you see? How cute! Okay, let's have a look. How cute is this little capsule? It says Focallure. It's round. Oh my god, it's tiny. It's really, really tiny. Oh my god, it's really, really tiny. Oh, so cute. It's really cute. And then I'm going to open this Perth one here. The Perth one is supposed to have the blue colors, blue shimmers. Oh, here we go. 15 colors. Oh, it's the box is a little bit dented from shipment, possibly, most likely. So Perth is part of the Go Travel collection. I think there are also other series like the Turkey and something else. I can't remember. Oh. All this packaging is a bit too hard to open right now. Really, I am having difficulty opening this box right now, and I really do not want to destroy the box. I love the box. So come on, this side. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh my god, really. Okay, out. Okay, it's got black packaging. See, the packaging is really beautiful. You can see like the shine, like metallic reflection on it. And let's have a look here. Oh, cool. So it's got the little plastic. There's a mirror here. Mirror. And then it's got the plastic packaging for protection. It's plastic here. So this one here, oh my gosh, look at these beautiful colors. It's gorgeous. So that's one. And then let's open the next one. Sunrise. Now this one, I heard that it's supposed to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty nude palette. And I have watched good reviews on YouTube about the performance of this product. This one here. If only it wants to come out. Okay, Sunrise, time for you to come out and give me a surprise. Here we go. It's a beautiful packaging as well. Really, really, really beautiful. Sunrise Impressionism 16 pan. So again, it's got the mirror too. and it has the plastic outer as well. It's a little plastic there. Oh, here we go. So, like I mentioned just now, this one is supposed to be kind of a dupe for the Huda Beauty nude palette. Oh my gosh, look at these glittery ones. They're just gorgeous. I can't wait to put this on my next video. So I'll pop that one. And then the last one is the Endless Possibilities. It's the 30 pan palette. So I'm super excited about this one because this one is the biggest one amongst all these. And I think this one is supposed to be a dupe for the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette. Okay. Okay, I need something sharp to open the plastic. Oh, perhaps I should try and scratch that black sticker, the proof of authenticity, to see what it actually does or what information comes out of it. Oh, here we go. I'll pick this end to open. It's quite easy to open, thank goodness. And then see if it wants to come out. Coming out slowly. There it is. Also in the black outer packaging, cardboard. Here it is. And let's see. Oh, it's got the mirror too. Awesome. And plastic. It's got the plastic protection. Loose. Wow. That's really beautiful. Look at that. I love the blues. These two blues. Blue greenish. I'm not sure what color you call them. These two here. Beautiful. I'm so happy that I finally got this one. Beautiful. Alright guys, so that completes the unboxing video for this Focallure package that I received, that I ordered. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.